Hey guys, so then let's learn how to set up parental control over onto your iPhone and iOS devices we need to do in order to set up our parental control. And our iPhone is head on over to settings. So first of all, let's click on settings and scroll all the way down until you see screen time. I want you to click. All we need to do is you can actually choose and enter your screen time passcode, and if you do have one, but if you don't, head on over and click on Content Restrictions over here on Content Restrictions. You may now block some specific content, and you could also choose Unrestricted Access if you want to over onto the web content. As you can see here, you could also limit adult websites, or you could also allow allowed websites only. Now you could actually choose that. But since you are the parent and you do want to restrict some specific websites that is not allowed for children, then head on over. I advise you to click on over here and limit adult websites. You could also add specific websites URL so that when your kids or youngsters actually search for those, they may be unable to search for those so that they may not be able to access it. Okay guys, that is how you set up your parental control on iPhone and iOS. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.